Birds carry a real invisible compass in their eyes that guides them across oceans and mountains without a map. Scientists have found that magnetoreception uses cryptochrome proteins and quantum effects that subtly react to Earth's magnetic field. In elegant experiments, birds were observed shifting their migratory routes when the magnetic field around them was gently altered. The underlying radical pair mechanism converts magnetic cues into chemical signals inside neurons, creating a true biological compass. Unlocking magnetoreception could inspire new navigation technologies and deepen our understanding of animal migration and brain science.